bun. Make sure you have your hair tie or scrunchie on your right wrist. Put 5 fingers in the middle of the ponytail. And then you're gonna wrap your hair around your hand just like that. Watch it again if you need to. You're going to have some hair sticking out, but you can fix it with bobby pins also to feel it more secure. And here's the back, and there you have it.
Practice tonight, so I don't want to do more damage to my hair by putting heat on it, so we're gonna do this little messy bun that I want to try. So obviously you just start by grabbing all your hair upside down so it's on top of your head. I'm just using my fingers because I don't want it like perfectly slicked, if that makes sense. Okay, now we're gonna do a ponytail, but we're only gonna pull through. So on the last loop, we're just gonna pull through like half the hair. And we're done. Just kidding. The phone falling is just like a reoccurring thing in my videos. Anyways, now you're gonna separate the hair in the back into 2 pieces. Then split those into 2 and do little twists on each side. After securing each side, we're gonna wrap it around the bun like this. Secure the end with some bobby pins and voila.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.